So I've already ironed my flap and added gum stay to it. The width is 3 inches for both placket. So I've already notched the center of the neck and I'm going to place the flap on it. You can make your flap length to be 7 inches at least. So I'm going to sew in 0.5, half of an inch like this. I'm going to sew it. And I'm going to make my flap to be 6 inches. So at least I supposed to make it 7 inches, but I'm adding 2 buttons to the flap, so that's why I'm making it 6 inches. So I'm going to stop when I reach the 6 inches I marked. After turning it like this, I'm going to place the second placket on it like this. And I'm going to sew in 0.5 as well as I've done in the first flap. So I'm going to cut it like this and I'm going to notch it. So I'm going to fold it like this and turn it inside. I'm going to do the same thing to the second part of the flap. After turning it inside, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to stitch this area. So after stitching it, this is how it looks like. As you can see that our flap is almost done, and I'm going to top stitch it here. So when I'm done with the top stitch, this is how our flap is going to look like. As you can see, it looks perfect and accurate.